Thank you, Mr. Marston. I feel a lot happier someone's along with me.
I feel a lot happier now I got a rifle.
Well, with your trigger itch and my feminine intuition, we should make quite a team. God damn it, these rabbits are at it again. Come on, let's get rid of them once and for all. Let's see that rifle. I want a couple of these for the pop. Nice shooting. You got one. That's it. Kill those little bombs. Better shoot rabbits and outlaws like this. You're a good shot, Mr. Marston. Them rabbits didn't stand a chance. Let's get back on the horses and see what else is going on. We should keep moving. There's still a ways to go.
Go!
If it's not the rustlers stealing our cattle, it's the rabbits stealing our crops.
It ain't never easy living off the land like this. Maybe you should move to a big city. Become a lady of leisure.
Look out! Coyotes! Shoot them before they get to the animals. Yeah! That's it! Damn coyotes! Come on, they're headed for the chicken coop.
Let's go!
Nice shot! Yeah, you got one!
Come on! Let's go!
Come on, boys! Good shooting, Mr. Marston!
Yeah!
Looks like that was the last of the coyotes. Just a shame we had. You know, you can actually handle a rifle.
It's something I've had a little experience in.
Maybe Bill Williamson did get lucky after all.
Luck didn't really come into it, miss.
You're a useful man to have around the ranch, that's for sure. But don't think I've forgotten what brought you here. We'll do whatever we can to help you.
I sure appreciate that, Miss McFarland.
Here we are. Thank you for your help, Mr. Marston. Makes me kind of happy I saved your life. Get some sleep and I will see you in the morning.
Good night, Miss McFarland.
That Bonnie's a right pretty girl. She wouldn't look at me, though. Hello.
How do you do, sir?
There's a change of season in the air. I feel it in my patient's bones. You don't say.
This could be your last moment.
Come do your job, goddammit. I sell things, you keep the beef. That's the agreement.
That ain't nice!
Turning yourself in so I can get my...